多謝 GKB 啦，參與我哋呢個 event 啦，好多謝你哋贊助我哋咁多咁好嘅產品啦。
So 今天我们的主题是 Little Entrepreneur。对我来讲，我觉得现在的小朋友啊，其实都是蛮受保护的。
And we want our kids to learn better skills. It's not just learning how to cook, it's even not to be afraid.
GKB 本身有非常多，就是对于小孩子帮助他们成长的一些 supplement。我们的这个冰菇呢是小孩子的那个 workshop， 所以对于他们的这一些 knowledge 呢，其实在 GKB 和我们这边都可以吸取到。
I enjoy the cooking. It's because I don't really cook that much and I learn some new things.
Normally at home we don't really let them do it, but this time he can do it himself. I think he enjoys it a lot.
我很喜欢那个爸爸社的跳舞。It's like a mascot. It looks very cute and funny.
Thank you to GKB for joining us and participate in this event, and hope to be with you again on our next upcoming event. Thank you 你哋。
Live better with GKB.
Live better with GKB.
Live better with GKB.